West Michigan has deep roots in the automotive industry, with a diverse and varied supply base. As the automotive and mobility industry continues to evolve, it will require the support of a wide variety of businesses, each offering unique jobs and career paths.
Our students interviewed industry insiders to learn more about its global leadership and competitiveness.
Car manufacturers need to utilize transportation in all that they do from beginning to the end. So whether you are importing, exporting, or whether it's domestic, there's always a place for transportation within the automotive supply chain.
Where we are in the ecosystem of the automotive industry is that we're a tier 2 supplier, so ultimately we manufacture products, we ship them to our tier 1 customers, who then turn and ship those assemblies to their original equipment manufacturers.
All vehicles are driven by an operator at this point. Our product is looked at or used by the vehicle operator multiple times per minute. Being a mirror that's in the view to the side mirrors to look at what's around the car. We also provide visual data that goes beyond the car.
We are a job shop powder coater, so we apply a powder coating finish to metal components.
We supply packaging, corrugated shipping containers, other forms of packaging to the automotive and furniture industry, and anything that goes inside of the box to protect a product or outside of the box to contain the box and shipment.
The auto industry is important just in general to what we do to get us from A to B, to get us to school, to get us to work. But for Gentex in particular, a huge part of our portfolio is in the auto industry, so making good safety, quality products for the community.
The auto industry is important to our business because it is a main player in West Michigan and Michigan. And here at Techno-Coat, we strive to be part of all of the main industries in the area.
Ultimately, it's important on a number of different fronts. It allows us to grow as an organization. It forces us to be on the cutting edge of our competencies, which is injection molding, assembly and advanced manufacturing, and it ultimately allows us to live out our mission, which is to perform better today than we did yesterday.
The auto industry is important to our business because it keeps us going. It is within the supply chain. Car manufacturers need to utilize transportation in all that they do from beginning to the end. There's always a place for transportation within the automotive supply chain.
In West Michigan, the automotive industry is one of the two main industries, that and office furniture. But we've always had a good relationship with suppliers to the auto industry, and really it's the cornerstone of our business. So we have to be able to provide packaging that allows for them to get their product from point A to point B, wherever that is, undamaged, presented the way their customer wants to see it.
Gentex will continue to grow because we provide necessary safety devices for vehicles. We also are working to make sure that we're integrated in more vehicle content every year. But I think that our customers look to West Michigan for innovation. They look to the workforce for developing itself and working very hard to make sure that this area stays ahead.
I think that with Techno-Coat being a small family valued business, it's really important to keep that within the community. I think we do some resources for our employees that help with housing, with school, and different things like that. We also do a lot of fundraisers throughout the year geared towards the community.
Ultimately, our primary role and purpose is to serve our customers, and it's to help them be successful through the manufacturing, designing, and engineering of consumer, automotive, and furniture products.
What keeps me in the industry and what keeps me motivated to do the job that I do for Shoreline is finding solutions to people's needs. We are trained as a sales team and as our packaging engineers to talk to our customers, find out what their needs are, find out what their problems are, and see if we can solve those problems.
This is a passion for us. We don't just do this. It's not just a job. This is a passion, and we bring teammates on to work with us here. we instill that passion in them as well. And luckily for us, our turnover is not that high. We have a lot of employees that have been with us for a long time. So this is a family. JMAX is a huge family.
From startups to established companies, West Michigan is working to attract and retain the high-tech talent needed to ensure that Michigan continues its global leadership in the automotive and mobility industry.